High Court of Manipur has dismissed 3 writ petitions filed by the Manipur Public Service Commission (MPSC) against a common order of the Manipur Information Commission (MIC). The petitions challenge the MIC's direction allowing 3 candidates of Manipur Civil Services Combined Competitive Examination 2016, which was conducted in 2022, to inspect their evaluated answer scripts under the Right to Information RTI Act. The judgment was delivered by Justice A. Guneshwar Sharma. The MPSC argued that its policy barred disclosure of evaluated answer scripts and relied on Supreme Court rulings to oppose the candidates' request. However, the High Court held that the policy only restricted the supply of certified copies and did not prohibit candidates from inspecting their own evaluated answer scripts. The court also noted that the validity of the MPSC policy is pending before a division bench and did not examine that issue. The court held that the Supreme Court's ruling in Madhrul Mishra applied to the case, as it permits inspection of a candidate's own answer sheets in the interest of transparency. It found that the decision in UPSC versus Angesh Kumar was not applicable, as the case concerned disclosure of raw marks and evaluation methodology. The High Court upheld the MIC's order and directed MPSC to allow the candidates to inspect their evaluated answer scripts within 30 days and directed to bear their own course.